We're so excited to get you started on your smile journey. Prior to your visit with us, we'd like to go over a few things regarding braces. When you come in to see us, we're going to give you a bag that looks like this. We've got a bunch of things that are going to go in it. We got a toothbrush, not just at the brackets when you're brushing, but angle it down, angle it up, tip of the toothbrush around the brackets and under the wire to clean most effectively with that. Got toothpaste for you. We've got floss threaders and floss. These work together. You take the piece of floss and you thread it through the floss threader, and then you take that and go under the wires and then floss each individual contacts. It is time consuming, but it is very important for oral hygiene. An additional option for flossing, these are called platypus flossers. You can find them online. There's a little nub on the back, so when you do pull it out, be very careful. So this is gonna go tail out, so this side out, and then the little thin area is gonna go tooth side of the wire, and then you're gonna floss in between each one. If you do go to pull it out and that little nub catches, take your time, get it out safely. Don't take anything off with it. There's gonna be wax in here. It's pre-sectioned. You can see the score marks. If you need to use it, rip off a piece with your finger, kind of roll it in your palm or in your fingers until it's kind of warm and mushy, and then push it onto the bracket, pinch it around to get it to stay on the bracket. It's not adhesive by itself, so getting it stuck into those individual grooves is going to be what gets it to stay in place. This is called a proxa brush. Pop the head off, kind of bend the head a little bit so it's angled, or kind of like a L, and then that's going to help make it so it's easier to get around those back brackets under the wires. This goes in between under the wires to clean around the brackets. Mouthwash, chapstick, and then we've also got 2 informational cards. This is going to go over the hard, crunchy, sticky things that can damage brackets. This isn't an end-all be-all list. So if there's anything like it that's not on here that you're consuming, use the same precautions. Small bites, chew on those back teeth, ideally avoiding the hard, crunchy, sticky things. This is going to go over brushing and flossing instructions. Even though I went over some of it in the video, I would highly recommend going through this as the patient, as well as if you're the parent of a patient, highly recommend going through it with your son or daughter. If anything goes wrong with the braces, something's loose, broken, missing, you have a pokey wire, let us know, give us a call, even if it's before your next visit. Worst case scenario, you come in and you see us a little bit early. If it's a loose bracket or pokey wire, if a piece of wax is gonna help kind of alleviate that until you see us, feel free to use it. If the issue that you're having isn't something that you're comfortable taking care of at home or it needs more immediate attention, give us a call. We do have an emergency line for days that we're not in the office that will connect you with our on-call doctor.